start. It gives me pleasure to be delivering the convocation address at one of India's oldest and pioneering engineering institute for the graduating students. This occasion represents a major milestone. I congratulate you on this seminal occasion. You are leaving this historic campus for the excitement of a career in a world full of opportunities. Para, today is also a proud day for your parents and families. They have sacrificed a lot to make your future brighter and provided you emotional and financial support in all your endeavors. I congratulate them on your success. The success of the graduating students is also a tribute to the faculty of IIT Roorkee, which is among the best and the brightest in our country. You have nurtured malleable minds into mature professionals. My good wishes to all of you. Para, ladies and gentlemen, this institute possesses a rich history and heritage. Founded in the year 1847 as the Roorkee College, this institute has made immense contribution to our nation's scientific progress. In 1949, it became independent India's first engineering university. In 2001, it was declared as an institute of national importance and brought into the fold of the IIT system. Para. After independence, several iconic engineering projects were executed by the engineers and professionals coming from this institute. Professor A.N. Khosla, who was conferred with a Padma Bhushan and later on Padma Vibhushan, was a student of this great institute. He was responsible for the designs of Bhakra and Hirakund dam projects. He also contributed to public life as a parliamentarian and later on as governor of Odisha. Para. Another former student, Professor Jay Krishna, set up the country's first interdisciplinary school on earthquake engineering and developed the Indian standards for the earthquake resistant design. He was also conferred with the Padma Bhushan. The list of your illustrious alumni is a long one. They have distinguished themselves as corporate leaders, entrepreneurs, civil servants, technocrats, researchers, and so on. Many of the alumni of IIT Roorkee have been nation builders in true sense. Para, I believe that the alumni of this great institute can and should contribute to their alma mater. They were fortunate to receive world class education, which was substantially funded by the taxpayer, that is, by the nation, there is a moral obligation to pay back and to help those less privileged in whichever manner the individual prefers. It would be best, of course, if this process of paying back enriches education and scholarship at the grassroots of our society. Stop.